VACC's Technical Advisory Service has been receiving calls on the operation of modern sub-tank systems or how fuel is transferred from one side of a saddle-style tank to the other. These questions arise because there seems to be no obvious pumping mechanism to transfer the fuel. However, there is, and it's called a jet pump. Jet pumps are constructed as a series of cone-shaped nozzles and a tube that is pinched in the middle to make an hourglass shape. When a fluid is forced to go through a smaller area, it must increase its speed to pass through the reduced space. As the speed increases, it creates a low pressure area which can be used to draw other fluids into the flow of the main stream. This is called the Venturi effect and is used to create a vacuum or suction. Jet pumps can be driven in different ways, such as using the return fuel from the engine or from the outlet from the fuel pressure regulator. Later model Toyota Prados and 200 series Land Cruisers have an electric fuel pump in the main tank. Some technicians make the assumption that this electric pump should either draw fuel from the sub-tank or push fuel to the engine. Both of these assumptions are incorrect. This electric pump's only purpose is to supply fuel flow through the jet pump so it can draw fuel from the sub-tank. The engine is supplied with fuel from a gear-driven pump mounted on the rear of the high-pressure pump. For more information on jet pumps and the operation of fuel transfer systems, see the April 2017 issue of Tech Talk. Log on to Tech Online or call the VACC's Technical Advisory Service.